Okay, so to begin this lesson, we want to put snowflakes all over our paper. And the easiest way to draw a snowflake is to make a cross and then a cross again. So it's kind of like a star. So we go crisscross, crisscross, and we want to make these all over our paper, except we are going to make invisible snowflakes. And the way we make invisible snowflakes is we use a white oil pastel on white paper. So you're going to make your invisible snowflakes all over your paper. And I want you to make them big and some small. And make sure you make them all over your paper. Don't forget about the edges. Okay, so, all right, I'm gonna make one more. I have filled my paper with invisible snowflakes. Now you might be able to see them. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a watercolor wash on top of our invisible snowflakes. And the wash is gonna be in a little cup, and it's just watercolor that has been watered down. So we're gonna take the wash, we take our brush, and we go back and forth all over our paper. And you see what's happening? Our invisible snowflakes aren't so invisible anymore. Now you want to make sure you don't make the paint too drippy. So if you have drippy areas, you want to take your brush and go back and forth and make sure you get the edges and your whole paper. It really doesn't take very long to do this. Go back and forth. Okay, I think I got everything colored. All right, when this is dry, you're going to take it, when this is done, you're going to take it over to the drying rack, okay? Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make our circles for our snowmen. And we're going to have 3 circles. We have the big circle, and that's the bottom of the snowman. We've got the medium circle, and we've got the little circle for his head. So big, medium, small. Large, medium, extra small. Now, if we put our large circle down here and we trace that, we would not have room for our medium or our small. So when you trace your circles, you need to put the large one to one side, put the medium, the small here, and the medium here. And that way, all 3 of them fit. Now, you're going to take your pencil, and very carefully, I want you to trace around your circles. Okay, and trace all 3. Okay, once your circles are traced, you're going to take them away. And I want you to cut all 3 of your circles out. Okay, now that I have all 3 of my circles cut out, I'm going to put my name in the middle of each circle. So I know that it's mine, and I'm going to take them and I'm going to put them into my folder. And that is it for step 1. Okay, step 2 for our snowmen is we are going to take a little bit of chalk, and the chalk is going to go around the edge of our circle. So with each one of your circles, you're going to take some chalk, and we're just rubbing it around the edge. And this way, it will make our snowmen look 3-dimensional. So you see how I'm taking the chalk and I'm going around the edges? And then what I do is I take my finger and I smear the chalk. I just rub the chalk like this. Okay, so that's circle number 1. You see how the chalk is around the edge? And then I do circle number 2 all the way around the edge. And I use my finger to smudge the chalk. There's circle number 2. And here is circle number 3. This is the head. use my finger and I rub the chalk. Okay, and then when you put the circles together, you see this is going to be our snowman.